Hey, welcome while you're in there. Real quick unboxing and tool review. It's just the impact socket set because I got a new DeWalt gun and didn't have any impact sockets, so I found this brand. It's Casoman. The case is nice. It's got all the sizes imprinted on the case. I've had some that didn't have anything there, but this kit was $30 on Amazon. It goes from 8mm up to 10mm. No, 17. No, 24. My bad. Up to 24mm. Oh, up top are my standard sizes. 1/2 inch to 1 1/4. Adapter for your smaller sockets. Couple extensions. It looks really good. I mean, it looks like good quality stuff. It's got the rounded corners so it doesn't strip the nut. But, I mean, these are nice and they feel pretty beefy too. This is a good kit on Amazon for $30. Alright, so that's it for the Casoman impact driver set. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.